Hello guys, how you all doing? Well, I'm good myself, and then today I just want us to have a quick chat about double bottoms and double tops and treble tops and bottoms and all this stuff, and what I really think about them. It's just my opinion, Evan. So the thing is, if you don't understand the logic behind double tops and double bottoms, then you will end up being that trader that every time the price gets to a point like this, you want to sell and say we are going to form double top. But why do you think like that? I mean, and if I ask you this question, you won't be able to answer me and say I think we're going to form a double top because of 1 2 3 1 2 3. You will just be like, because the price last time it came here, it was rejected, that's why I'm saying. So you see people when the price gets there, they're trying to sell, and then when the price goes past that point, they'll be saying the price is being manipulated. But like, why did you sell there? Why did you sell there? You don't have a reason. You just said we are having a double top. You see, that's the problem with the double tops. That's why I don't trade them. I don't trade them like that. So sometimes, okay, let's say the price, it does, they sell and then it comes back, it works, and then it comes up again. They'll be like, now we're going to form a triple top. But you ask them, why do you think it's gonna form a triple top? They don't know. And then when the price breaks it, they'll be fighting, saying the broker did this, did that. So that's my problem with double tops and double bottoms. So I can't just go on the chart, because remember, there's a lot that is happening on the chart. There's a lot of swings, going down, going up. So you want to tell me that every time the price finds something like this, I must try and sell. I must sell. Every time we come here, I must buy. No, I can't work like that. And I wouldn't advise you to do the same thing, because the logic behind a triple top and double tops, that's not how it's supposed to be like. That's not how it's supposed to be like. And if you've been following the videos that I'm posting on this channel, you understand that here I'm teaching you how to read the structure, on different time frames. How to sort of how can I put this? Be able to say my H4 is doing this, my daily is doing this, my maybe H1 weekly is doing this. So therefore, when I combine all of them together, I can decide, I can come to a conclusion that this is a nice area for me to sell. That's what I teach you. You can't just go on a chart and every time the price finds a peak, a peak. If it turned here last time, then every time when it comes here, you're just gonna go sell. That's not how you do things. That's not how you do things, mate. Evan. So that's my problem with double tops and double bottoms. You will never know which high or low is gonna hold. So that's my biggest challenge. So lawyer yourself, if you take a sell there and then it drops, you'll be like, yes, I knew this was gonna happen. But if I asked you before that and said, give me your reasons why you think the price is gonna hold on this high, you won't tell me. You don't know. You're just saying because the last time the price came here, it got rejected. So that's why I'm selling now. But we cannot play like that. So that's why when I'm teaching you here, I teach you how to use trend line, how to draw an accurate trend line, and how to draw your accurate support and resistance, and also how to analyze the market structure on different time frames. Then when all of this, after checking all of this on your chart, therefore we'll come with it. Therefore, we think this area here it's worth us taking a risk from. That's what I teach you. So we are taking our trades based on the zones and not necessarily a high. Just because we are coming back from to the certain high, we need to sell. We cannot trade like that. You'll never be consistent if you trade like that. You should know. You should be able to leave out certain the price trend here. You should be able to neglect some of them and say, no, this one is not worth it, I'm leaving it. But if you don't know, every time the price goes to a peak, you'll be looking to sell, because you don't have a set of rules that you have to follow and say, based on what I saw here and what I saw there and what I saw there, I cannot take this one. You should have those rules. So that's why if you follow my channel, you'll know that if you understand the concept of trend line, support and resistance, and also how to do the stuff on different time frames, you'll see that it's very easy for you to pick the areas that are only worth your attention and save yourself from taking unnecessary losses. Yes, of course, that's not, like a bulletproof where you'll be like, if you follow this strategy then you're not gonna lose. Yes, we're going to lose, but we are going to avoid many losses. We're going to miss some of the trades, but the way we are doing things, we do have, we do understand why we are taking the trade at this level and not that one. That's what I want you to have. You don't just say double top, double bottom, double whatnot. No, that's not how we do it. That's why you'll find us doing we'll be taking trades from. We would rather say we are trading we're taking a trade from a resistance zone. So when you see the price doing this, and then we analyze, we draw our area of resistance there, and then we check we have our trend line, we have our multiple time frames that we analyze. If we conclude that we are going to take a trade there when the price comes back, it's not that we're expecting a double top. That's why we don't even wait for the price to get to the top. That's why we can even execute it from here, because of how I taught you to draw your zones, and you can even take it from there and do that. Someone that has been waiting for a double top missed that. They don't even know why they're waiting for a double top, but when, because you have analyzed multiple time frames, you have your zone drawn, then you can take it from there. And then if you do that, they analyze your trend line and all the stuff, and then you conclude that no, the sellers don't stand a chance. That's when you'll be like, I bought this one, I'm not gonna take it. But those ones who don't have rules, every time they see a price going to a peak, they'll be looking to sell. That's why they will be trading the whole day, of which it's that's not how you should be. You can't be taking trades the whole day. You'll be having a lot of losses. You'll be forcing trades even where they are not trades. But if you analyze way in advance, you'll be able to say, now the price is here. The only zone that I'm interested in, it's up here. So I don't care what it does in between. I'm not interested. I want it to get to this, and then I will take my trades. Then you will see that you will stay out of trouble most of the time. So that's why you shouldn't be locked in this concept of saying double top, double bottom, triple top, and stuff like that. I mean, how do you tell that the price, yes, it did this? How do you know it's going to do this? What are your reasons? Just because it turned here, you expect it to turn again. That alone, it's not enough. So let me leave it like that, and then I hope that you understand where I'm going with this. And then I'll leave it like that, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can give you more content. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So let's just try and do things the right way, guys. Just saying this thing turned here last week and then now I expect it to turn again, that alone is not enough. It's not worth you risking your money on that. You need more reasons in your basket. They must all agree on you taking a sell there. If you don't, you just have one reason why you're taking a sell, don't. It's not worth your risk. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Sharp.